Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy the video. But we're gonna get straight into this one, guys. As you guys see from the title and thumbnail, we're replacing the reverse lights on the F10 that we have right here with LED ones. So I actually already filmed this and I got the wrong bulbs. So I'm gonna have two bulbs linked down below from Amazon. One is, it should be from 2014 or 15 and up. I guess the type of bulb changes in either 14 or 15, I don't really remember from the forum. But if you're below probably 14, then you'll have the regular bulb that just slides in. And then if you are 14 or 15 and higher, then you'll have the bulb that goes in and turns. I'll show you guys right now the difference. But like I said, I had already filmed this, but I got the wrong bulb, so I'm gonna go ahead and refilm the whole thing for you guys. Anyways, we're gonna get straight into it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the tripod real quick and show you what the reverse lights look like right now, which are the just regular yellow ones, and then we'll see what they look like with the LED ones. And yeah, let's get straight into it, guys. So you guys just saw how bright these bulbs are right here. They go right in there. Those are the regular yellow bulbs. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how to replace them, and then we'll see how they look. Probably one yellow and one blue, or I mean white, and then we'll replace both of them, and then you guys will see how they look. So yeah, let me set everything up. Let me get the light closer and stuff, and show you guys exactly how to replace these bulbs. So first thing we're gonna do is actually remove all these little bolts. Well, they're not really bolts, they're brackets, but they have they screw in a little bit. So just using a regular Phillips head, we're gonna unscrew these until they start giving a little bit of force. And then after that, we are going to get a clip removal tool and just pry all these out. So there's gonna be 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna replace one that is in there. You guys can't really see that. And that one, as well as that one right there, and one that's in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew all those real quick and pry them out, and I'll show you guys how it looks under that. Alright guys, now with all those little clips removed, you can just go ahead and pull this down. Make sure to pull it over this little thing right here. And then same thing on the other side. And then you can just pull the whole thing down. It's held on by this thing right here. You guys will know what it is if you see it in person. It's what you grab to pull the trunk down. If you didn't have the electric trunk. But yeah, on both sides it's gonna be held on by the same thing. Now this right here is going to be the light module thing. So let me show you guys how to take this off real quick. Alright, so if you pull this down right here, this thing will hold the bulbs in place. So to take this off, there's going to be one clip right here. You guys can see where my finger's at, and another clip right here. You can see where my other finger's at. So basically you just want to pull both of those towards each other, and this whole thing will come out. And this bulb right here is going to be the one we're replacing. That's the one that has the reverse light bulb thing. So yeah, let me show you guys how to replace this real quick. So we're going to pull this down, and once again it's going to be this bulb right here. You just want to twist it left and then pull out. That bulb will come out, and then you want to get the one that you ordered. And then same way, you just want to line up the holes. There's little I don't know if you guys can see that too good, but there's little dots on it. You just want to line that up with the bulb holder, and then what you want to do is push down and then turn right, and that's pretty much it. You guys can see that the bulb is now in there. You guys can see it looks pretty big compared to the regular one. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this back now in place, same exact way we took it off, and then I'm gonna close the trunk and show you guys what it looks like. One LED and one regular yellow bulb. So let me put this back real quick. Okay, so now that you guys actually saw the difference that the LED made versus the yellow, it's not a huge difference. Bright wise, it's a little difference, but just the fact that they're LED instead of yellow just makes it look way better. And yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like from the cabin, like from the iDrive, to see if it looks any different LED. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on, and then I'll go ahead and put everything back on and show you guys what it looks like, so just stay tuned. Okay guys, now with everything put back together, we can go ahead and close the trunk, and we're gonna go ahead and see what they look like right now with both LEDs in. So that's what it looks like with both LEDs in. And honestly guys, the camera makes it look like it does not look as good as it looks in person with the camera. Also, hopefully you guys can hear me because the car is a little loud. But yeah, it does not look as good on the camera as it does in person. It actually looks way better in person. It's a huge difference compared to the yellow. But yeah, it's honestly just a small change that makes a big difference for most people. But now I'm gonna go ahead and go in the actual car and show you guys what it looks like. So 1 second guys. You guys can see what it looks like right there. Now if I go ahead and press on the brake and put the car in reverse, you guys can see the LED lights turn on right there. And honestly guys, it actually makes a big difference compared to the yellow ones. You can probably tell more in a place that's actually dark. There's some lights in my house that are on, like in front of the house, so you can't tell as much. You guys can actually see them turn on. That's with them off, and then with them on, you guys can actually see like how much difference that makes. That's with the reverse lights on, LEDs, reverse lights off. And then that right there is me pressing on the brake, but reverse lights on. But yeah, so you guys can see what it looks like right there. I couldn't show you what it looks like before because it wasn't that dark yet when I started filming the video. You guys can see it's a little darker now. But yeah, just want to show you guys right there just in case you wanted to see. So right now it actually gave me a reverse lamp malfunction. It actually went away. It doesn't show it anymore. But just in case it does come back, that's something that you can actually code out with Beamer code, just so you guys can know. But yeah, that's what it looks like right there guys. And yeah, but yeah guys, with all that being said, I just want to show you guys this quick little mod that most of you guys actually wanted to see. I had a couple people request this video since I did mention it in one of my past videos, and you guys said you actually wanted to see it. So yeah, here it is guys. Just want to show you guys real quick how to install these, what it looks like. If you guys like the video, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. Anything I can make, I will make it for you guys. And yeah, with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.